So we have made it to our Disney hotel. We're at the Coronado Springs Resort. We will do a room tour later. We're going to go find lunch. We've been going through the options for food here of all the different restaurants and all the different quick services. So we're gonna go find one of them for some lunch. It's like 1:40. We did drive down from the cruise terminal, so we're gonna do that. And then we also get Blizzard Beach tickets today because of the promotion that Disney does for this year. So we're gonna go to Blizzard Beach, and then are we doing Epcot later potentially? Yeah. We do have reservations for Epcot, so I think that's tonight's plan. So we came to Siesta's Cantina.
That's a spicy one.
You have it.
What are the
Kids chicken tenders.
We'll find out.
And then the only sauce options I saw were barbecue.
I thought we would get these. They're gonna be fun. Do you have it?
I'll get to it.
Okay, we have a trick tip. I don't know what you
And it also comes with orange.
I didn't get a napkin.
You can get water or that orange. Okay, we're off to Blizzard Beach. I didn't bring the GoPro, so you guys are here. So, I was holding down the fort at Blizzard Beach reading my book while they went into the lazy river and the wave pool. And then now we're heading into Epcot. Though they're looking at the ride times for one of Mom's favorite rides in this park. I think it's her ultimate favorite ride at the entire resort.
It's 130 minutes.
Yeah.
And then
So apparently Guardians is 130 minutes. How
And
long?
then the Frozen, actually it's in France. So that's the Ratatouille is 80. Pyramids 20.
What's Soren?
Well, the Land of the, like the Awesome Plane is 20.
Mhm.
Throwing's 25.
Yeah. Okay, so
And then In the Ball is 20.
oh, the one that goes up and around.
Yeah.
What was?
Frozen is 55.
I say what was Frozen?
55. Okay. You going?
Okay, let's head and see which one we can get into first.
Are they finished Canada yet? So they're doing construction
Oh,
now.
we'll find out if there's
The bar.
construction in
The
Canada.
bar.
Isn't that the DVC one?
No, there's a new DVC. Oh no, it was a new DVC sales place.
Oh.
Odd place to have it, honestly. But let's head into Epcot.
You're making
It's true, yeah. Something like that. It's almost like karaoke. I don't even karaoke. No, caracola. No, like the margaritas. Gaviota, yeah. I'm like, I remember it was like the marker water. Wow, so cool. Are you want to check out?
Welcome, amigos. I am Paquito. I am Jose Carioca. And this is... I don't know. We must find it. The concert is tonight. Celebrate. Mexico City. This way. Excuse me, have you seen a duck? Hey, goodbye. The shoes amigos, no matter what. See you next time. And Donald, next time, please stay on the sarape, okay? See, we chased you all over Mexico. Thanks for coming to Mexico, and come again soon. Y waiting for you, amigos.
Well, there's Phineas and Ferb.
Yes. Yes. Yes.